Hello, this is Mike with SkipperBud's. I'm going to give you a brief tour of the 2020 Bayliner 160 element deck boat, 16-foot deck boat on a single axle trailer with a swing tongue. It's got a 75 horsepower Mercury outboard. Ski tow rack, bimini top, stainless steel cleats. Let's go hop up inside and take a look. Boat's rated for 6 passengers. Got your captain's seat with some rod holders. This boat's equipped with the bow filler cushion, as you can see in place there. Got your grab handles. Your table is removable. Also a filler cushion here at the stern. More rod holders mounted to your ski tow. The boat also comes with its cover as well. Storage underneath every seat. And that is the 2020 Bayliner 160 element powered by Mercury 75. Have a great day.